Open the door.
Oh, that's pretty.
There's your balloons right here.
They are pretty. I'm glad you put 2 candles on there because 35 would have been overflowing.
Would have set the fire alarm off.
Mama, JD,
That's
Daddy.
pretty too.
Jason.
Mama, he can reach them. I didn't know he can reach them things. Jason.
Hey, I'm playing with him.
Play with
Jonathan, this was your idea.
Yeah.
Say, Jonathan.
Cheese.
Give me a hug, Jonathan.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, baby. You did real good. You and Daddy. This is so nice.
And there's your cake right there. There's your name on it.
I see. Somebody wrote that pretty good. Oh,
You know, Publix.
oh my goodness.
Daddy, look on the tail, Mama.
Yeah.
It do got a little tail.
Yeah.
That's
And
good.
look on this
Now
right
stop filming,
here.
Daddy.
Oh, we gotta eat. You gotta blow your candles out.
Uh,
Jonathan, just saying happy birthday a little bit. Wait a minute. Okay. Go right now. Say happy birthday to Mama.
Happy birthday.
Now we're gonna sing it.
Sing it.
You gotta sing it. Sing it. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
ready to blow the candles out. Go that way.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job.